Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix TikTok video stuck in progress. So if you are facing that problem, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to check that you have a stable internet connection. After checking that you have a stable internet connection, just open up your Play Store application and then search for TikTok. And after searching for TikTok, here you have to see if you have an update option. So if you have an update option, you just have to update your application, and after updating your application, your problem might be solved. If that doesn't solve your problem, what you have to do is just come back to your home screen, and after coming back to your home screen, now you have to search for settings, and after searching for settings, now you have to search for apps, and inside apps you have to search for TikTok. And after searching for TikTok, now you have to tap on storage and cache, and then clear your cache. So what it does is basically clears any bug or any problem or any glitches that you are facing in this application. And even if this doesn't fix your problem, what you have to do is just tap onto your volume button, and then you have to restart your device, or you can reinstall your TikTok application. So this is what you have to do if TikTok videos is stuck in progress. If you think this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.